Good evening. Let me introduce myself. My name is Mary Magdalena. Today I will explain material review system, central nervous system. Next slide, please. Division CNS. Next slide, please. Next slide, please. The central nervous system is made up of the brain and spinal cord, the brain part, cerebrum, the brainstem, midbrain, pons, medulla oblongata, cerebellum. Next slide, please. Cerebrum. Cerebrum, large part of the brain, occupies the anterior and middle cranial fossa, with two cerebral hemispheres and their cortex, outer layer of the gray matter, and underlying region of white matter. Cerebral cortex is the outer covering of gray matter over the hemisphere. Next slide, please. Cerebrum is defined as names bone of the bones of the cranium under which they lie. Frontal lobe, reasoning, planning, parts of speech, movement, emotion, and problem solving. Parental lobe, movement, orientation, recognize, perception of stimuli. Temporal lobe, perception and recognize of auditory stimuli, memory and speech. Of occipital lobe, visual processing. Next slide, please. The brainstem, midbrain, pons, and medulla oblongata. Brainstem, part of the base of the brain that is connected to the spinal cord, and the structure for basic viral life function, breathing, and heartbeat, and blood pressure. Medulla oblongata, control brain blood flow. Next, please. And the cerebellum, the situation behind the pons and below posterior portion of the cerebrum. Two hemispheres separated by narrow median strip and called the vermis. Function cerebellum, coordination of voluntary muscular movement, posture and balance, involved in certain cognitive function such as language, and damage the cerebellum result in clumsy, uncoordinated muscular movement, staggering gait, and inability to carry out smooth. Next, please. Next, please. Okay. CNS protection, meninges, three protection layer, dura matter, arachnoid matter, and pia matter that protect the brain and spinal cord. Cerebrospinal fluid, the fluid that surrounds the CNS, serves as the protective connection and help eliminate waste. Next, please. Disease example, multiple sclerosis, an autoimmune disease that damage myelin in the white matter, Parkinson disease, and neurodegenerative disorder that affect movement, spinal cord injury, damage to the spinal cord that can lead to paralysis. Symptom and impact symptoms vary depending on the disease, including muscle weakness, loss of coordination, and sensory disturbance. Next, please. Spinal cord. Spinal cord is continuous above board with medulla oblongata, then bundle of nervous system. The spinal cord receives and transmits electric signal throughout the entire body. Next, please. What method tracks in the spinal cord are highways for the nerve impulse propagation. Sensory input travels along this track toward the brain. Afferent neurons and gray matter of the spinal cord receive and integrates incoming and outgoing information. Next, please. Conclusion. Summary of the key points. The CNA is the body control center consisting of the brain and spinal cord, playing a role in processing information and controlling body's function. The importance of maintain CNS health maintain CNS health is important for optimal body function and a good quality of life. Next, please. And the last, thank you.